Design engaging SCORM for retail training. SCORM is a widely accepted standard for creating web-based educational content. It ensures that learning materials are accessible and compatible across various learning management systems. Adopt scenario-based learning. Scenario-based learning brings real-world retail challenges into the training sphere, equipping employees to handle practical situations with confidence. SCORM personalization for retail training. Imagine starting a course where an avatar, tailored to your liking, guides you through the content. Engage with multimedia. Given that retail often entails practical skills, employ a mix of text, images, videos, and interactive elements. Create interactive elements. SCORM supports interactivity, which can be used to engage learners and gauge their understanding. Activity-based learning. Enhance your SCORM design for retail training by integrating activity-based learning. By doing so, learners can actively participate in realistic retail scenarios, making training both interactive and impactful. Nano and microlearning. Divide the content into manageable modules or chunks, adopting nano or microlearning. Adopted mobile learning. Retail employees might access training content on different devices, from desktop computers in back offices to tablets on the shop floor. Blend SCORM and authoring tool content. Blending media types and integrating SCORM files with content design via an authoring tool is crucial in contemporary e-learning strategies. By following the steps above, you'll be well on your way to creating a training program that equips your retail employees with the skills they need to succeed.